today we're going to dive into the world of wildflowers. Wildflowers don't take the meticulous care to grow like our regular houseplants do. So the first thing we're going to do is look at the cell structure of the wildflower petal. So I'm just going to take a look under my microscope here. Yeah, so the cells of a wildflower petal can be particularly mesmerizing because you can see the mosaics and all the shapes and colors that are in these flower petals. It's truly amazing. These cells are often packed with vibrant colors. The petal we're looking at today is white, but colors are often used to attract pollinators. And so the next thing we're going to be taking a look at today are the vascular bundles of the flower petal. So if we look through here and try and get it into focus, yeah, there it is. So this is the plant's transportation system, giving it all its water and nutrients to help it grow. Alrighty, so next we're going to be looking at the pollen grains, and we're going to be taking a closer look at this part of the flower right here. You can see this is going to be where it's so packed full of pollen and goodies. So let's take a look. Yeah. So a fun fact about wildflower pollen is that each plant produces a pollen that's very specific in shape and structure. And they come in all varieties, like spiky balls, oval, fluffy. It really is truly amazing how much diversity we get in our plant life. So next, if we slide over here, we're going to see the stomata of the wildflower. So they're kind of like little pine needles, and they have little openings. Like they might be placed on different parts of the flower. Like they're not going to be on the same part of the flower for every different flower, which is really cool. You kind of have to look for them. And they're basically essential for the oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on the wildflower adventure. If you like me and you like this content, why don't you give me a direct message?